Scott, are those little buoys out there just to keep other boats away from coming in?
Oh, well, yeah, it does. We'll do that too. Okay. But what they are is just making a clothesline.
Okay.
So it's called a planer board. So it's
Okay.
attached to this line that keeps, if drag pulls away from the boat.
Okay.
So that way I can run lines down it and back. So like, I'll take this spoon here.
Yep.
Go into the water. And then on here is weighted line. So this red and black colored line is called lead core. So every color, or 30 feet I let out, it sinks down 5 feet. So then once I have all the line out, like that, let all the line go. Once it all gets out, I'll attach it to a clip and put it on that line, and then it'll pull behind the boat.
Okay, cool.
5-cent tour on how to handle
The one on the right.
Okay.
You can see the little fish.
I feel like we're cheating here looking at the map as to where those fish are, but that's okay. If you ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
It's just like a golf watch. Come on, it just doesn't count for elevation. We're fine.
Perfect. This is where we are.
That's you, Andrew?
Yeah, there's fish on there. You can see the
There's our map. I don't know how to read that. I don't know where we're at. I'm not going to make like I know where we're at.
How do you tell?
I better not put us in reverse by mistake.
Those?
That's a fish there. That's a fish there. So that one came down.
And where are we relative to the disc?
So the high line is at 60. You can see the cannonball just draws a straight line. So
Oh, that's a line. That's something going.
yeah, well, that's the waves.
Okay.
That cannonball waits stationary.
Okay.
And then,
Who's going to be first up?
and then it just draws a line. You can see the other one's faint. It's down at like 90. So we had a fish in between there, but we also had these two fish come down and look. So it's
Yeah, that's great.
All right.
yeah. It starts to come towards the boat. You just reel in that rod bed. Then when he starts letting up, and you'll feel them kind of giving up a little bit, they'll turn towards the boat a bit. Then you're going to pull them towards you with the rod and take up the slack of the reel. So I've got the bottom edge of the rod just below my belt line in my leg, and that gives me good leverage, the good fulcrum. My hand up here, loose grip. The first thing you're going to want to do is death grip this rod, and you'll find there's a muscle in here that you never believed was there until you grip it for 5 minutes, and then you're like, oh my god, where is it? So what you're going to do when the fish turns towards you is you're going to pull the rod back to your half rim, and then the goal is to get 2 or 3 full revolutions on the way down. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3. Pull them towards you. 1, 2, 3. Pull them towards you. 1, 2, 3. That motion, keeping the bend in the rod at the same time. If the rod goes slack, you reel up line, get it back tight again.
He's on a big ship, so he'll be on like I think his last ship.
Like attaches here. Pull this line in. Attach this line to the clip. And then when I let it down, I let out the line I want.
Yeah. We might have one right here.
Yeah, baby. There we go. Come on.
Ready in there?
Bang that line and we'll hook that tanker out.
Almost had a little taste. We had a taste. Do you remember what about Bob? I'm on a boat, I'm sailing. Dr. Marvin, I'm sailing. Like we said, Joey and friends. I'm on the Mr. Beaumont. Ahoy!
Yeah, baby.
Somebody's got to do the dirty work.
All right.
All right, single. We're in the game.
He ain't big, but he's pretty.
They're on up. They're on straight up.
Hooray!
Nice job.
There you go. We're in the game.
Oh yeah, he's totally edible. We love you.
That'd be a really nice smallmouth. Beautiful smallmouth.
Yeah.
He's not like a world beater for example.
That's not a Toyota?
No, that's not a Toyota. He's a star.
Okay.
You gotta crack that. Somebody's got to be there.
There you go. Poor little guy. Feel bad for him.
That way.
Okay, let's go. Cheese.
Oh, you just right.
Not now.
Worried out here. It's a full-on storm. The weather started getting rough. This tiny ship was tough. If we're not for the courage of the fearless crew, fucking minnow would be lost. It's a pretty bad storm. Check this out. Check this out. We're in the middle of the storm here. Check this out. We're trying to make it back in. All right, this is it. This is what we caught. Let's cook them up. Look at that. Filleted, open. We do need a knife. We need our fillet knife. I'm actually just going to open them up all the way. Cut right down through the bone. And if you have a good enough knife like this, it's usually no issue at all. And we'll just finish that off. I am going to rinse that. Very basic tonight with some fresh squeezed lemon. There it is, everybody, from sea to table. It doesn't get any fresher than this. Please remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Basic tonight, a little bit of lemon juice, some salt, some pepper, fried it up, olive oil, done. Rice, done. Let's test it out. It doesn't get fresher. I mean, right from the sea into my kitchen. This was fantastic. We'll take some rice, we'll take some fish. Yep. Boom. Love it. It doesn't get fresher. That's it right there. It doesn't get fresher than that.